Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y91, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access System and Updates. After that, tap on Language and Input. Your default keyboard, in my case Microsoft, and typing. Now tap on this switcher next to autocorrect feature to switch it off or on. If your default keyboard is Celia, click on it in the same section, but this time click on Input over here. Then click on this switcher next to autocorrection to disable or enable it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!